Ooh, the sun is killer. But guess who's here? Ta-da!
I'm back!
Back in the usual place, like always.
Yeah.
It's good to have you back.
Looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming.
And this year, we are going to be working on the Airstream, right?
Airstream,
Are you
yup,
excited?
I can't
You
wait
haven't
to
seen
look
it
at
yet.
it.
You haven't seen it. Well, you saw the outside and the
I
pictures.
saw the outside of it.
But you haven't seen the inside. So that's going to be back. So we will be back in this same place on Sunday because you got 4 days. So Sunday we will be back here, and I will be traveling home alone again until Cristian's graduation, and then he graduates in a month.
2 weeks from Sunday, I'm going to be in graduation.
I'm going to take you to get some pastries here at Whole Foods.
Late
but-
message.
Instagram, KG McCoy lecture post.
Why all my notifications play on my GPS, so people, your comments and whatever likes and stuff you guys do, it tells me. He's excited about the GPS that has voice command, and I'll talk to you about the voice command later, but voice command is really cool on this GPS.
It's pretty cool.
I'm blinded. We're driving right into the sun today, so I have to put my glasses on because I can't see. And these are the ones that are the blockers. This has been a wild, loosey-goosey drive that's only supposed to take 18 minutes. But guess what?
It's been an hour.
I've been talking with Cristian, and I have my GPS on too low. So she tells us things, and then we're not paying attention. And of course, there's a lot of traffic this morning because people are trying to get to work.
We pay attention, but we just don't
We pay attention after the fact.
Yeah.
And there's construction everywhere on International Drive, Sand Lake Drive, and I-4.
Take the exit.
It's a
on the
nightmare.
right.
But I think this is it. This will be good
Downtown
now.
Orlando.
See, I gotta raise her voice. As much as I hate to, but I have to raise her voice. I can't hear her when we're talking. Or when I'm vlogging, I can't hear either.
Here's one question about the GPS. Does it only go by your voice command?
No, it goes to anybody who's voice command.
Okay. Just making sure. Because you know some...
I'm just thinking that could be a problem if you have a husband and a wife in there. Because one says one and one says the other. This GPS might get confused.
Like, like if you say...
I say no and he says yes. No. Let me know if you've had problems in your marriage because of the Garmin 770 GPS. I'd love to hear it in the comments. Okay, we're here at the IKEA, and Cristian's gonna change his clothes, and I'm gonna take Missy out for a little bit. And Cristian tried to be sneaky. He tried to go watch the Airstream video that I did that shows the inside of the Airstream because he hasn't seen it yet. He's trying to see it and watch it. I'm like, nope, you can't watch it because you have to wait till we get home to see the inside.
And I was like, what?
So anyway, we're gonna go inside and have breakfast now. You want this one? Sure. And then if we're still hungry, we can get the Swedish pancakes. Yay! That's my camper. Way over there.
You don't have to be smart. No need to dress up for me to see that you're a good man. You're a good man, a real good man. When the wind blows and the windows are closing, you let the world know what has been has been. And there's no use in looking back, going back, wishing back. Cutting grass and chopping wood can be romantic. Sipping coffee.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. This is the American Swedish plate. It's the same thing. All of this cost not even $6. Before 10 o'clock, the coffee is free. And I got the latte. They have cappuccino. So if you're traveling, IKEA is the place to go have lunch and breakfast.
Sipping coffee under the apple tree. It's gentle, manly. Well, you're a good man, quite the best man, a real fine man.
Today this is my second time at IKEA. So I purchased, let's see, I bought a little pink cup because that's for my RV. I like drinking that. And then I bought this for my iPad. When I'm sitting at the desk, it holds my iPad up slanted. It was cheap. And this was 4-pack of magazine rack for 99 cents, which one of them is going to go in the RV. So when we travel, I like to keep pamphlets somewhere. It's cardboard, so it doesn't weigh anything.
Yep.
And then I'll have 3 left over, and we can store those.
In the travel trailer.
Yeah, we can. So you can put some of your stuff in there, or we can put some. We have one in the front for brochures. Also, when we travel in the Airstream, and then he'll have 2 so that he can store whatever catalogs or stuff he's going to have in there when he's living in there.
Speaking of the Airstream, I can't wait to look at it.
Surprise.
When the wind blows and the windows are closing, you let the world know that what has been has been. And there's no use in looking back, wishing back. You master how to simplify. You turn rain into a blue sky. Oh, when the wind blows.
Starting to look like home. We're
Yeah.
almost there. So excited when I get to this area because I'm like, oh, I'm almost home.
My
So
blood is pumping because I'm going
he's
back
gonna see the
home.
Airstream now.
Yeah.
You let the world know that what has been.
Oh my gosh.
What do you see?
Wow.
What do you see, Cristian?
I already told. Wow. I see the trailer.
You see the Airstream?
Wow.
And there's no use looking back.
Oh my God.
Wishing back.
That trailer is pretty good. I'm surprised.
Wishing back.
Wow.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please share it, and please subscribe. Next time on Simply RVing, Cristian gets to see the Airstream inside.